A breakfast so good, it could be dinner. A creamy mushroom sauce over soft scrambled eggs and a buttery toast. My regular tripod broke, so I'm doing a little different angle here. I am making the most delicious brunch item for you, okay? And it's such a good breakfast item. It could be a dinner item. Very simple, and it's just basically a fabulous mushroom sage sauce that you pour over eggs. You could really pour it over anything. But in this case, we're gonna do it as eggs. Here's our ingredients: chicken broth, flour, half and half, mushrooms, onions, and sage. Sage from my garden was not happening in this, so I had to buy some. Now, the mushrooms could be whatever looks good in the store. I use some oyster mushrooms and some cremini mushrooms. Slice them up thin. I've also sliced half of an onion. Plop that butter rather unceremoniously in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. If you put oil with the butter, it's not going to burn, and you're going to have all that nice flavor. So saute the onions and the mushrooms. Saute the onions till they're translucent. And I'm doing on some like Batman 1960s angle here. There we go. Let's get the close-up. Close-up of the mushrooms. All right, a little bit of flour, about 2 tablespoons of flour. That's going to help coat all this and thicken the sauce. Then about 1.5 cups of chicken broth and half a cup of half and half. And there's my pretty sage. By the time I chopped up the leaves, I want to say probably about 3 tablespoons of sage that I had chopped up, but I haven't done it yet. I'm simmering this for 10 minutes. Then enter the lemon. Squeeze the juice out of a whole lemon. Love that lemon and sage together. Stir it up. And then when I add the sage, then I'm going to simmer it for another 5 minutes just to get all the flavors together. Now again, you could put this over a steak. You could put this over chicken. It's a good thing to have on hand. I had it on hand for a couple days, but I'm doing the perfect scrambled eggs here. And the perfect scrambled eggs, a little bit of half and half. I'd also throw a little Parmesan in, too. Not seen on camera. Whip it up, get some air in there. And then get in the pan and also cook with butter. So I thought I was showing you how to make the perfect scrambled egg there, which is cook it really fast and take it out before it's done. Even if you're like, is it a little runny? Yes, take it out, because it's going to continue to cook on the plate. But somehow I didn't get that shot. But here it is. I also like to make it the way I did here, which is that I grill the bread in butter in the pan first, and it is delicious.